come. Hey baby, you're a free girl now. Hey baby, you're a free girl now. I remember when he was your boss. I remember him touching your butt. I remember you counting your blessings. Yeah, honey, had to keep your mouth shut. Hey, baby, you're a free girl now. Hey, baby, you're a free girl now. Yeah, well, alright. Honey, put your sugar down. Dazzle, dazzle the moon above, and lay your victim down. No longer will you be a slave. No longer will you have to crawl. No longer will you suffer. No longer will you stall. One day you'll live for a reason. One day you'll be gone. No more when you walk from the table. No longer will you bow down. Hey baby, you're a free girl now. Hey baby, you're a free girl now. Hey folks, welcome to another Saturday Night with Tom Petty. We're having a Tom Petty party here in the Judge Timber Studios. This is going to be a guitar lesson for Free Girl Now, of course off the Echo album. It's a very rock and electric song, so just a little acoustic adaptation. I think there's some acoustic guitars playing on this one in the background, but regardless, you can play an electric guitar, acoustic guitar. This is going to be real quick. There's only a couple of chords, just another classic Tom Petty, a great track with a few chords. So, I'm going to start the guitars in standard tuning. I'm not using a capo. We're going to start with an A, G, to a D. That's most of the song, right? So I think it starts just one strum. So it's like 2. So it's an A, G, G, D, just to start. And then it just starts going A, G, D. Just play along to the record if you want. Again, just A, G, D. That is everything except the middle part. And that's B minor. Well, alright. So it's a B minor. I'm going to play that bar on the 2nd fret. To an A. To a D. To a G. And the kind of downstrokes is kind of stabbing them on this part. D. Back to same. Repeat it one more time. B minor. To an A. To a D. Back to G. Then you're back to the A riff. Hey baby. And the only thing it slows down, as I'm sure you know, like Tom does often. I just kind of palm mute it for that part. And then it gets back into, hey baby, you're a free girl now. Hey baby, you're a free girl now. And we're just going to end it there. Free Girl Now by Tom Petty and the Heartbreakers. Under 5 minutes. I'll see you next week. Take care.